Showings are a crucial part of the selling process, giving potential buyers the chance to experience your home in person. In this video, I'll share what you can expect during showings and how to make the experience as smooth as possible. What happens during a showing? A showing is when a potential buyer, accompanied by their agent, visits your home to see it firsthand. Buyers will explore the space, envision themselves living there, and assess whether it meets their needs. Showings are typically scheduled ahead of time, so you'll always have a heads up. Scheduling showings. Flexibility is key here when it comes to scheduling. The more availability you can offer, the more buyers can view your home, which increases your chances of receiving offers. Most showings are arranged during daytime hours, but evening and weekend appointments are also very common. How long do showings typically last? A typical showing will last somewhere between 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the buyer's interest. Some buyers may take more time, some buyers may take less time. What you'll need to do before showings. Before each showing, ensure that your home is clean, tidy, and ready to impress. Lights on, open the blinds, and make the space as inviting as possible. You're going to want to make sure that you step out during the showings to give the buyers freedom to explore. Feedback after showings. After a showing, the buyer's agents will often provide feedback about their impressions. This feedback can be valuable for understanding how your home is being received and whether any adjustments might help to attract offers. How we support you during showings. At Insiders Realty, we'll handle all of the logistics, from coordinating appointments to following up with the buyer's agents for feedback. We're here to ensure that every showing is a seamless and stress-free experience for you. Showings are an exciting part of the selling process and a great opportunity to showcase your home's best features. With the right preparation and support, they can lead to the perfect buyer. If you have any questions about showings or want to know how we make the process simple and successful, let's connect. We're here to help.